next video, I'll show you how to secure a car on a trailer or cargo. Firstly, straps and tie-downs are vital for holding cargo in place. Select the correct size and strengths for your cargo and use multiple straps to distribute the load evenly. Always ensure the straps are tight and properly secured to prevent shifting or falling. 2. Wheel chocks are used to prevent movement in the trailer during transit, particularly when carrying heavy or large items. Place them behind the wheels to stabilize the trailer and avoid unwanted movement. Also, foam padding helps cushion and protect the cargo from impact, vibrations, and rough roads. This is especially important for fragile or sensitive items to prevent damage during transport. And finally, ensure the doors of the trailer are properly secured. Use heavy-duty locks or latches to prevent the doors from opening unexpectedly. Before loading, inspect the trailer for any signs of damage or wear and check that the tie-downs, straps, and locks are in a good condition and functioning properly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.